chicken in mushroom and lemon sauce. Hi, welcome to Sanjeev Kapoor Khazana. I'm Zai, and today we are going to make a very healthy recipe. This healthy recipe is also good for pregnant women. The name of the recipe is chicken in mushroom and lemon sauce. Let's quickly run through the ingredients. To make chicken in mushroom lemon sauce, we would require 2 chicken breasts which are halved, sliced mushrooms, refined flour, lemon juice, butter, fresh cream, olive oil, chopped garlic, lightly beaten egg, lemon zest, black pepper powder, chili flakes, salt, chopped onion, chicken stock. To begin with, we'll take a bowl in which we'll take the egg. Egg is a very good source of protein. At the same time, it is very good source of energy. We'll add around a tablespoon of lemon juice. Lemon juice is high in vitamin C and it helps to calm down your morning sickness. We'll mix this mixture well and we'll set this mixture aside till the further use. Meanwhile, we'll take another bowl in which we'll take the refined flour. We'll add some salt, some black pepper powder. You can even use crushed peppercorns in this recipe, some chili flakes and some lemon zest for the flavor. We'll mix this mixture really well. So our egg and refined flour mixture is ready. I have some chicken breast over here. So what we now need to do is we need to dip these chicken breast in this lemon and egg mixture and we'll place this in refined flour batter and we'll coat them nicely. So let's coat all the chicken breast in the similar manner. So we have coated all the chicken breast with refined flour and egg mixture. Let's add some olive oil in a non-stick pan. We need to shallow fry these chicken breast. Lower the heat to medium and we'll place the chicken breast one by one in the oil. We need to cook these chicken breasts for 5 minutes on both the sides. After 5 minutes are done, we'll flip the chicken and we'll cook the other side also. Let's check if the chicken is cooked from one side. Let's flip it. Yes, as you can see, chicken is nice and golden brown from one side. Okay. Similarly, we'll cook the other side also for around 4 to 5 minutes. Let's check if the other side of the chicken is also cooked. Yeah, as you can see, it's nice and golden brown. Let's switch off the flame. And I have an aluminium foil over here. So by the time we prepare the sauce, we'll place these chicken breasts in the aluminium foil so that they remain warm and moist. Cover the chicken breast nicely. So we'll keep these chicken breasts aside till the time we prepare the mushroom and lemon sauce for the chicken breast. The chicken breasts are nicely cooked. Let's prepare the mushroom and lemon sauce for the chicken breast. For that, we'll take the same non-stick pan in which we'll heat some butter. We'll add some garlic. Garlic helps to regulate the blood pressure of the pregnant woman. Let's saute this till the raw flavor of the garlic goes away. Okay, let's add the onion. At the same time, we are going to add the mushrooms. Mushrooms is a very good source of zinc, iron, protein and dietary fiber. Let's toss this mixture well. And we'll now cook this mixture on high heat for around 2 to 3 minutes. The mushrooms are nicely cooked. Let's add some salt. We'll toss them well. Now we'll make a mixture out of chicken stock. For that, we'll take some chicken stock in a bowl. We'll add lemon juice and some fresh cream. If you feel that there are some lumps in the mixture, you can certainly strain this mixture, but I think with the help of the spoon, I will be able to manage. So I'll mix this really well till the lumps are disappeared. The chicken stock is nicely mixed with the cream. Let's add this to the mushroom mixture. And we'll now cook this till the sauce becomes thick. As you can see, the sauce has become nice and thick. We'll switch off the flame and now it's time to assemble the chicken. So we'll take out the chicken pieces on a serving plate like this. We'll arrange them on a serving plate. We'll pour some mushroom sauce on top of the chicken. And I have some fresh parsley sprigs with me. So we'll garnish the chicken with some parsley sprigs. Chicken in mushroom lemon sauce is ready. Serve it hot with boiled noodles or steamed rice.